Namaste, good afternoon, and Ni Hao, Zhuhai. Hello guys, this is Manoj Khanna from Compucover, India, and we manufacture computer accessories in India. It's a long journey. We started in 1992 with a joint venture with Compucover in USA. If I remember correctly, at that time the import duties were around 330%. So from there, the only viability was to import the product and manufacture it. And our partner, the Robert Hunt, the CEO of Compucover, agreed that that is the solution to set up our own manufacturing facility to cater this area. We came a long way from there, and I'm just sharing in short our journey where we started with keyboard protectors for desktops, then we graduated to laptops, POS machines, defense equipment, protectors, and anything, and we are famous for customizing. Lately, we collaborated with various international companies to provide us solutions for better hygiene as well as providing antimicrobial products which protects from dust. Besides that, they also protect from with antibacterial properties, and we have certified lab testables. I'm just sharing these things to tell you how India is progressing, and from 330% now we are to 10% or nil import duty. With better infrastructure, better government support, I think we are not now country-centric. We are growing global. We are looking for our franchisee partners all over the globe to share our technology. What we are doing in India, we are ready to provide them a platform where we can help them set up a similar facilities globally with our joint ventures or franchisee agreements or something mutually acceptable terms. And here I'm sharing this vision because I feel the way global businesses and expanding, it is not going to be a country centric or something, or one company can't afford to do these kind of things. We have to join hands. We need to have collaborations. We need to share our technologies. Rather than competing ourselves, we need to support each other where we can mutually grow in various countries, continents, and in various segments. This is what I feel is the new age vision of India. At this stage, we can't afford to ignore India. From New Delhi to Zhuhai to San Francisco, we have all the designing table, and the world can't ignore us. Starting from manufacturing on a small scale, we have graduated to technology advancement with CNC machines, own in-house tooling centers, which are as per the global norms. And this is New India, and I welcome all to share their expertise with us, and let's work together to work in India as well as globally and grow together. Thank you all. Thanks for the patience. And happy Dhanteras to all. This is a very auspicious day where we get the blessings of Lakshmi, the goddess of money and Kuber, to bless us all in our endeavors and in our enterprising vision. Good luck to all. Oh, I forgot. I must mention, when we are talking about collaboration, joint ventures, you can see we are in Zhuhai standing on an Indian platform. Who has why? It is a joint venture and a vision shared by our great partner, Mr. Swapan, and you all who are with him. So kudos to you all, and kudos to Swapan for providing this wonderful opportunity to Indian diaspora to share their vision and our line of vision where we are expanding in India and growing together in the global market. Thank you all.